how to add an application form on your Squarespace website. So here I'm just going to click on website, so we get the editor loaded up. And once we have the editor open here, we'll click on edit. Now from any section that we have added here, we'll just click on add block and go and select the form option. Now we will have this application form added here, and we can customize it by clicking on this pencil icon. Now the form name could be application form. The button text will be, we can change submit to apply, and we can also edit the form fields here. So we have name, email, subject, message. You can obviously customize this to your liking. You can also delete any of those fields which you don't need. And post submit, here we will change the message to thanks for applying. And we can also change the position here where it appears. I'm going to go back, and if we want to change the design, we can also change the design of the application form itself. As you can see, we have some preloaded designs here, and that's basically it. You can access your submissions here from the storage tab and access submissions if we click on this button. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.